Hello guys, welcome to my channel. Thank you so much for watching my video. So guys, in this video I will show you how to download and install WtFast game private network for your PC and install it into your PC. So without wasting time, we will go to our screen and check your download for our PC. Okay, WtFast, and open this website WtFast.com. Eliminate lag, faster ping, smoother game. Okay, this is the software for your gamers, and download it for you can download for your Android, Mac, iPhone, and Android APK, and for Windows here. And after that, it's not a VPN, it's a GPN, the gamer private network, fundamentally different than another type of solution. Okay, best connection of to victory. Say goodbye to high ping right now. WtFast real time. WtFast real time analytics. See what's happening with your data. So okay, over 1,000 plus gamers game sports. Okay, you can hear thousands of plus games can support it. It can support. Okay, these games are, you can see here the game brands like 6 League of Legends, Call of Duty, Final Fantasy, and Warcraft. Okay, Worldcraft. These are the games. Okay, see why so many gamers choose really fast to optimize their connection. The feature you can see here, and the reviews of the clients. Okay, you can read here, and these are the reviews. After that, say hello to a better game connection. So these are the feature capabilities working of that software. Okay, we will try to download for our PC because we have Windows operating system, and download from here or from here. You can see the download buttons. Achha. Download your secret weapon. Latest version of WFast is 5.5.1, and stable build is 5.4.0. The stable is for, and the latest is this. Okay, you can see here. After that, we will learn about the features and system requirement and installation guide. All the about the software is recommended. System requirement: operating system Windows 10, 64-bit memory, 8 of GB RAM, and directors variant 9.0C. That is the system requirement. Minimum is this. And how to install it: uninstall the current WFS variant. First of all, uninstall the old variant and download the latest variant on PC. Double click WFS as the file from downloads, and installation from Windows. Okay, install. These are the minimum system requirement. Mac operating system are also available here, and see was over given. So their correction. Okay, these are the reviews and overview of software. So we will try to download for our PC the latest version, that is 5.5.1 here. And after that, you can see here the installer has been the software has been downloaded, and that is the free trial version for your PC Windows operating system. So guys, after this we will install it into our PC and use its free trial. Thank you. So you can also download free trial of WFast from this official website in this way. Thank you so much for watching my video, and please subscribe to my channel and support me to thank you so much.